Okay, this is a test video here in every sense of the word. I've got the permanent GoPro mount on the Sedici Strada Parlare Helmet. The GoPro 8 is operating, all new, all three items. The helmet setup, the GoPro 8 itself, and the mount. The interesting thing about all this is, other than the external microphone, I have no way to get sound into this because they're sending the camera out and they haven't sent out the mic adapters. Looks like they're taking a slightly different route this time with the mic adapters. So you're going to get the ambient noise should I decide to leave it in a motorcycle. Well, I'm just going to do a quick ride around to test compatibilities and that all this is working. So I'll get back to you in a minute.
so I'm not sure how this sound is going to come out with the internal mic on the GoPro 8, but suffice it to say, I just came back from a spirited ride on the Phantom, about 50 miles worth. A lot of firsts on this flight, this ride. Amongst them, the camera mount, you can see it here. I've got the camera now over on a tripod, the GoPro 8, and a few other items I can talk to you about later on. But anyway, a ride of firsts, and it all worked out pretty well. A little bit of wind buffeting, of course. You put these things in front of your helmet, you get that wind buffeting, and as I said earlier, as far as ultimate safety is concerned, I'm not too sure about that either. So I don't know if you want to do this on a daily basis, but it sure is fun. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed it. As I say, a ride of many firsts. GoPro 8, helmet mount, Sedici Parlare Strada, or Strada Parlare Helmet. Hey, ride safe out there.